So in this activity, what we're going to do is we are going to be adding 1 and also subtracting 1. Okay, so we're going to have 1 more or 1 less than a number to 10. All right, so the very first thing I'd like you to do is I want you to put your Numicon in order from 1 up to 10. So I'm going to pause the video to let you do that now. Okay, so to do this, I have got another 1. Okay, and I'm going to put this beside each of these pieces of Numicon to show us what 1 more is going to be. So the first one I'm going to start with is the number 1. So I'm going to push the 1 up here so we can look at it by itself. And I'm going to add 1 more. When I add 1 more to the number 1, it becomes the same shape. You can clearly see it's the same shape as the number 2. So we can very clearly see that 1 more than 1 is 2. Okay, next, what is 1 more than 2? Let's move our 2 up so we can clearly see it. I'm going to add 1 more. We can see that this shape is 3. Okay, I'm going to put my 3 on top to check. Yeah. Okay, so we can see that 1 more than 2 is 3. Next, we're going to look at the 3. We're going to add 1 more. We can now see that that is the same shape as the number 4. So we can clearly see that 1 more than 3 is 4. Next, we're going to look at the number 4. So what is 1 more than 4? Let's get our 1 and add it to the 4. We can see that 1 more than 4 is the same shape as the number 5. So we'll put it on top to check. Yes, 1 more than 4 is 5. Next, we're going to look at our 5. What is 1 more than 5 this time? 1 more than 5 clearly makes the 6 shape. So I'll put my 6 on top to check. That's right, 1 more than 5 is 6. Next, let's look at our 6. What is 1 more than 6? 1 more than 6 is 7. Put our 7 on top. Yeah, that's right. 1 more than 6 is 7, or 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1, or 1 more than 7, that makes the 8 shape. I'll put my 8 on top. I can see that's right. 1 more than 7 is 8. 1 more than 8 is 9. We can see that's the same shape as the 9 piece. Okay. 1 more than 9, let's put the 1 in there, is 10. There we go. We can clearly see that from looking at the shape. Okay. So we have looked at 1 more of numbers from 1 up to 10. Okay, so another thing that you can do to check is you can get your number 10, you can put your 9 on top, and you can clearly see that you need 1 more. There's a gap here, you need 1 more to make 10. Okay, 1 more than 9 makes 10. If you choose your 6, you can put your 5 on top, and it helps you see that 1 more than 5 makes 6. So that's why Numicon is so great, because it's a very visual, hands-on representation of these numbers. Okay, so when we're doing 1 less than each of the numbers as well, we're going to start from the top this time. So we're going to take the number 10, and I'm going to put my 1 there. So we're going to take away that 1. Okay, so then we can clearly see that here we've got 9 left. All right, so let's then take our 9. So let's put the 1 on top to take away that 1 on the top. We can see when we take that 1 away, 1 less than 9 is 8. We've got 8 left. Let me just put my 8 on top. Yep. 1 less than 9 is 8. Then we got our 8. Let's take 1 away. 1 less than 8. How many have we got left? We've got 7 left. 1 less than 8 is 7. Let's get our 7. Let's take that top one away. Put that on top to cover it. So we are left with 6. 1 less than 7 is 6. What is 1 less than 6? Well, let's take 1 away and find out. I'm going to take that one away. 1 less than 6 is 5. But what is 1 less than 5? Let's put our 1 on top, take that one away. What are we left with? 1 less than 5 is 4. What is 1 less than 4? We're going to take this one away, so we don't want to look at that one. What are we left with here? 1 less than 4 is 3. 1 less than 3, we're going to take that top one away. 1 less than 3, we are left with 2. We'll just use that to check. We're right. And then 1 less than 2, here's our 2. Take that 1 away and we are left with 1. Okay. What about if I choose the 1? Let's put this on top to take that away. Then we are left with 0. Well done. Okay. So that's a quick guide to 1 more and 1 less, and using our Numicon to really help us see the relationships between each of these numbers to 10.